that? What was that noise?
That must be where he got stuck.
Oh yeah.
So why are we going this way, Scott? We're heading that way. Oh, roll. I'm not worried about him rolling. I am. I don't think he'll roll.
Peter's getting a socket sent to the face if I roll.
I got my boots on that, so.
Dude, you seem to be filming a good amount.
Well, I'm sort of trying not to die. All right, be careful with. Woo! We don't know what's on the other side. Back up.
No, just turn. Come on, Peter.
Okay. Woo!
Hey, we're overlanding.
I would hit left. We don't know what's in the grass.
Yeah.
And slow down. Oh fuck. Woo! Okay.
Oh. Yeah, you doing, Peter?
All right, let's head out and see if we can find another lot. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! Whee!
Clearly, shit has been worked on in a while. Oh, wow, there's that nice big hole there.
Yeah, just watch out for that nice big hole there.
Oh, someone else has done this.
Doesn't mean your truck can, dude.
Yeah, should we try it?
No. Hold on. I'll get out.
Get out too. Peter, get in the bed.
Can I
do it? I think I can.
Maybe if you go in this way, but do you really want to get
Well, up there is
stuck?
fine, right?
Up here is fine, but do you want to get stuck in there?
I think it'll be fine. You stop there.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, dude. Okay. Passenger.
I put in a 4-wheel low. That made it a lot easier.
Yeah, you'll crawl in 4 low. There's a lot of clanking going on in there, man.
That's the gears and shit. My exhaust pipe is a lot higher now.
Yeah, I was gonna say I think it twisted a bit, but it's still together. So.
You can just check my. We have to make sure. Oh. It's so much easier to learn. Still around. I know we're gonna start.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, well, it's still there. That's good.
See. You can do it slowly. Oh gosh. Just head that way. There you go. You're good. Woo! Here, let me hop in. Let's head to another site and see if we can find something else cool.
Do I want to stay out of the ruts?
Probably in between them right now because there's a bump up
bounce.
Woo! Oh! Let's not break the truck, buddy. Here, head through that mud just a bit.
Okay.
The corner of it.
Yeah.
Just don't spin your tires.
Did I spin my tires?
Yeah. That's a chicken.
I can understand the
Hey.
Whoa.
Yep. Nope. You can't go in there.
I could.
No.
It's
No.
just
No.
we
No.
can't get out.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Woo!
Ow.
That one is this.
Yeah.
one.
Let's head into here a little bit. See what's around. Right over there. Oh, you can make it through that.
Let me just look through this around here. Like, let me just.
I wouldn't do it.
I'm not gonna go. I'm just looking.
Holy shit, that's a lot of money. It is. Yeah. Holy crap.
It's not running, by the way.
I know.
Yeah, I stalled it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Taking a hole with the front tire, man.
Although you're getting, like, this side's out.
This front end's lower than ever, though. I know. The front license plate's not happy with it either.
I know.
Holy, man.
Hey,
rock it back and forth. Go forward a bit and then back. Back. Forward. Back! Forward!
Okay, who has a truck and a chain that we know? Front license plate is junk.
No, it's not junk, it's just out.
Ripped out of the fiberglass.
Can you call someone?
Yeah, who do we call?
Ghostbusters. I don't know.
Oh, dude.
Alright, so what has happened here?
It was a lot deeper than it looked.
Yeah, no, this honestly doesn't look deep, and none of this except for right there. Right over there. Oh, you can make it through that. By the way, we're in Mexico.
Yeah,
This is not new development. I mean, it is in Mexico.
It's new development in Mexico.
That being said, look at this side. We almost had it out.
See, you can see the running board on this side.
Yeah.
And the mud has eaten my running board on the other side.
Yeah, so this has not gone well. Oh, and the license plate's all screwed up. If I can.
How fucked is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
Oh, well, it just needs a new bolt.
Oh, that's fine. Like a bolt in the washer or just a bolt?
Washer, maybe.
Probably the washer. Also, you know where your front bumper was cracked?
Yeah?
Yeah, that.
That's now being eaten as well?
Yeah. Well, come look at it. So,
I got nice shoes on. I didn't want to have to do this.
well, come over here and you'll be
Oh,
fine.
my license plate is being eaten.
Yeah. So, we'll update you whenever our help comes. All right, quick update. We're having trouble getting someone to pick us up or pull us out of the mud.
Hey, man, at least I got a good time to clean my truck.
Oh, you know what? We just took off the license plate, so I can show you what the front's doing right now.
The front is being eaten.
You're gonna need some
You see his
duct tape.
bumper that's already broken? It's a little more broken now. Maybe not. I don't know.
I got some big zip ties. I'll Zeus it back together.
Hey, Peter. His bumper's coming off.
What?
His bumper's coming off. Oh, fuck.
Oh, don't worry, Scott. It's just clips.
Oh,
There we go. Fixed.
put it back in and
We'll update you whenever we're back. We might end up digging out with a piece of I-beam that I found.
Oh, yeah, we have I-beam.
Got 3 other trucks to deal with this.
Let's do it again. We have big tires, big lift, and fuck that.
Alright. Okay.
Oh, hey, my front bumper didn't get completely fucked.
Yeah.
Alright.
You're good.
Alright.
Oh my. Right over there. Oh, you can make it through that. Alright, so we got out. As you can see, we had 3 trucks to the rescue and one, what I want to call a
CTSV.
CTSV. Yeah.
Or it wasn't
They did a burnout on their way out. A couple of them. We're now skidding on mud. Woo! You can hear the mud flying. So yeah, next time, not gonna do this during school. We're
Gonna
not.
have a rescue vehicle at the place.
Yeah, I had a rescue vehicle, but I didn't have my license, so I decided not to bring it. Well, look, I'm not getting pulled over, especially if I'm already in a perfectly legal position. So that's probably pretty much the end of this vlog or video, whatever you want to call it. I don't care.
Our failure.
And
There's a GTR. Or, no, that's
I hope these guys aren't looking for us.
Just stop, turn, let's go.
Yep.
It's a stop
Oh
sign.
fuck, that's the guy that drove right past us while we were
He had
parked there.
4x4 too.
He had 4x4 too. He could have gotten us out.
Yep.
Nope. That'd be a jerk.
Let's get out of here.
And I have a feeling that
We're gonna get fucked for that.
I don't know. I wonder if those guys were parked there as the other 4 vehicles got here. Anyway, so I think that's pretty much about it. But you know, see ya.